All right. So this is going to be for, this is going to show you how to convert from standard form into slope-intercept form, or y equal mx plus b form. So we're going to take this line and we're going to rewrite it like this one. All right, because a lot of people, they prefer y equal mx plus b for some reason. It's easier to graph, I suppose. But basically, we just got to get y by itself. That's all we got to do. So we're going to be solving for the y here. Two-step process. We're going to move over our x. So we're going to put it on the other side of the equal sign over here. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Those will cancel. 2y will come down. Don't forget your sign there. So you get 2y is equal to, and then on this side, the 10 and the 3x, they do not go together because they're not like terms. I'm going to get 3x plus 10. All right, I'm just putting my x first. That way it looks like y equal mx plus b. And then you divide by 2. So divide both sides by 2 here. Divide everything by 2. This will give you a y. Now, it's going to be 3x divided by 2, which is 3/2 x. That way it looks like y equal mx plus b. And then 10 divided by 2, that's going to be a 5 right there. Nice. So this would be our equivalent equation in slope-intercept form. Nice. If you wanted to, I guess you could like check your answer. It'd be kind of weird though. You'd have to plug in some number for x. You'd have to plug in a point basically. Like if I plug in, be wise about this. If I plug in 2 for x, all right, 3/2 times 2. So 3/2 times 2. The 2's would just cancel. And so you'd get 3 plus 5, and that's equal to 8. So if you plug in 2 for x, you get 8 back for y. But then you'd have to come up here to your original and make sure that 2 for x and 8 for y balances the equation. All right, this is if you're wanting to check your answer for some reason. Maybe you're investigative, you're feeling froggy. All right, you'd have to see if this thing balances your equation. -6, and then 2 times 8 is 16. And ta-da, it does equal 10. -6 plus 16 does equal 10. There you go. There you go. I'll do this one here in a sec. I was supposed to do this example first, but forgot. All right, we're going to solve for the y. So I'm going to move the 2x over. So move the 2x over, minus 2x. All right, this time I have a negative y that's going to come down. And these are not like terms, so I get negative 2x minus 3. And then the last thing we're going to do here is divide by negative 1. All right, that way I get rid of my negative sign. So this will be positive y. And when you're dividing by negative 1, you basically just change the signs. That's all you do. So you get 2x plus 3. There it is. Another way we could have done this problem is instead of moving the 2x and then dividing by the negative 1, we could have moved the y over to this side. So I could have added the y to both sides. And this would have given me 2x is equal to negative 3 plus y. And then I would have moved my 3 to the other side. I would have added 3 to both sides. Okay. So I'd get 2x plus 3 on I'd get 2x plus 3 on the left-hand side, and I'd get a y on the right-hand side here. But you end up getting the exact same answer. Hopefully you see that. Exact same thing. Yes, they are. All right, one more example. All right, x minus 3y is equal to 9. So I got to move my x over first. So minus the x. This will give me a negative 3y is equal to negative x plus 9. Okay, it's a positive 9, so I get a plus 9. And then we're going to divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. Dividing every piece by negative 3. All right, so here I've got a negative divided by a negative 3. So that's going to be a positive. And this is like a 1x right here. So what I get is 1/3 x. And then 9 divided by negative 3 will be a minus 3. There you have it. So this is kind of convenient for graphing mostly. A lot of times people will forget the trick on how to graph something in standard form. So what they automatically reach for is this little process right here where you just convert it to y equal mx plus b, because everybody knows how to graph in slope-intercept form, right? Well, maybe. Anyway, it's pretty common that people put stuff in slope-intercept form.